Next, the Grand Jury Prize. The India Gold Jury would like to honor the director of a persuasive, poetic film, a reflection on how family connections can endure even when shaken by political turmoil and grief. The Jury Grand Prize goes to Jaiching J. Dilhutra, writer and director of The Hidden Corner.
Congratulations, congratulations. Jaiching, could you please share your happiness with a few words?
Oh my God. Thank you, MAMI. Thank you, Mumbai. And thank you, jury members. And it's really honor to my team and especially all the independent filmmakers and all the low budget filmmakers too. So I think it's really glad to honor and really thank you. I have no words.
Congratulations, sir. Congratulations. May I now request Kabir Khan sir to say a few words, please?